or the river of Jordan is an ocean of fears. It's deep with our sorrow, and it's salt with our tears. Deliver us over to heaven's bright shores and the sweet living water. We will thirst nevermore.
He looked like a nightmare, and he stunk of blood and guts, and he's always hungry.
I'm a growing boy.
It's basically a tale of the novel Beowulf. And our very talented director and playwright has taken that story and set it in the Appalachian Mountains. I play Grendel, who is basically the most evil of evil. When he's really riled, he'll take his choice of Christians and pull them away to his cave to eat them. The atmosphere is fantastic.
Who you?
Who you?
I asked you first.
Girls ought not to play with guns.
Boys ought not to climb up hollers where they don't belong.
Mabel is a young Appalachian woman. She's a fighter. She wants to be the strongest one, and it's not until she meets Brother Wolf that she really meets another person who is willing to take her seriously.
But what exactly is your good?
My good is God's good.
Speak for God, do you?
He speaks to me.
Oh. Well, maybe you's just touched in the head.
Oh, hush, girl.
And Brother Wolf is the first person who's like, no, but we find each other so interesting. And he's so antagonistic that he doesn't back down from me, he steps up.
You best pray. Wrap yourself up in grace, girl. There's evil in the night.
You best look after your salvation, and I will look after mine. Thank you.
Just do like I say. You'll be fine.
Come ye sinners, poor and needy, weak and wounded.
It's, for me, it starts out, I'm already sort of frightened to be in this church where my brother was essentially murdered. And the song itself is so haunting.
I will arise and go to
That is every little kid's nightmare.
in his arms, in the arms of my dear
And
Savior.
the darker and more mysterious I can make that, the better.
I will arise and go to Jesus. He will embrace me.
And when it finally happens, it's just this like inward, like I just contract inward and wait to be saved by Brother Wolf.
Thousand charms.
And every single night is absolutely frightening.
Really excited to be a part of and excited to see the audience's reaction and to feel Leah's, fear. And I love being the guy that is the one that provides the fear.
So we have 4 shadows that are played by 4 actors from UNCG's theater program. Essentially what they are, they're spirits, and they move our story forward physically, the way that they lift us and move us, and they just shape each scene around us. They were essential to the entire process.